Good morning, guys. Today it's a beautiful sunny day. I'm talking with you from Arcore, and it's Sunday morning. And this is the park that I usually walk during, my morning, and especially in the weekend. So, recently I spoke with a person from the University of Bologna. Her name is Veva, and we talk a lot about a specific topic, and I'm talking about the work-life balance. So, what I personally believe about this specific concept is that it's like that when you just pronunciate this word, work-life balance, it's like that you are thinking that your life is half work and half life. And, I believe that creating just from the beginning this dichotomy, it doesn't help to really balance our life. And what I deeply believe is that we have just one life, and inside there, behind there are some different bubbles. There is the bubble of the work, there is the bubble of our relationships, there is the bubble about our passions. There is a sort of mix of different elements that every one of us have to personally balance every aspect. And this is just a little change of perspective, but I believe that this little change help us to, just better balance every element of our life. It's not a dichotomy, it's not work and life. It's a connection between some different elements, and these really help us to better balance every one of these elements. As you probably know, I worked as a manager in a company in Milano for 7 years. I had the opportunity to manage a lot of people, a lot of teams, and from my past experience, I learned that hyperachiever or leaders, they always try to push a little bit more. And what I believe is that if you start from the dichotomy work and life balance, the final result is always the same. You usually spend so much time at work, and you reduce a lot the amount of time for living, for your life. And what I often see right now with my clients as well is that maybe they are on a Friday night with her wife or with her daughter. During the dinner, they are there with the people that they love, but they are not really there. They are, thinking in that moment, they are still thinking about the emails that they have to send on the Monday morning. And this is crazy, because our work is actually eating every aspect of our life. And I spent so much time to figure out a solution to detach from this specific issue, because for weeks, for months, we can for sure push hard and give all of us to reach a specific goal at work. But if this behavior became permanent, it will eating everything, every part of our life. and what remains, it will be you, your burnout, and your work. This is the main reason why I decided to build the breathing assessment, because I think that people may be like you, that bring the work in every part of our life, and maybe they are feel guilty about this behavior, but they don't know how to stop it. So in just 35 minutes we start from your actual and specific situation, and starting from there we just do a specific test about the breathing, and I'm talking about the BOLT, the body oxygen level test. These help us to understand the connection between between your respiratory system, your nervous system, and your mental state. This is the crucial aspect that we have to know to start our entire journey. And starting from there, we move for our body biology, because a crucial element of our breathing respiratory system is our diaphragm. And if we don't know how to use our diaphragm properly, we are not able, to use our lungs, our respiratory system in the right way. You have to know that we breathe more than 25,000 times per day, and there is a proper way to breathe. So imagine to breathe better for 25,000 times every day. There is a huge difference, trust me. And I will explain you how to use your diaphragm properly, even if you don't have any experience with the breathing world, with your respiratory system. Doesn't matter, I will explain you everything. And with this new awareness about our BOLT score, the body oxygen level test, our biology, we move to install in your daily life a breathing routine that will help you to be more present in the moments that really matters. And I'm talking about the dinner with your wife, or the moment to play with your children. With this new regulation of your respiratory system, you will be really there. And my personal goal with my clients it's also to help there to feel more calm in everyday life, not just when they are in vacation in front of a beautiful sea, but even when they are in a Monday morning with a bad email received from a client. So I will leave you in the description 2 different links. The first one is the breath audit. If you hadn't tried it before, it will help you to understand the beginning of your journey, and especially it helps you to do the BOLT score without my support, just you and the BOLT. And if you'd like to go deeper, I will also leave you the link about the breathing assessment, the 35-minute session that I shared with you before. So remember always to breathe deeply, my friend. Bye bye.